see a Nigerian trying to gain access to your country, you must ask yourself whether what you are saying about that individual, the judgment you are passing against that individual or our country, is it the truth? Is it fair to all concerned? Is it just? Will it encourage good relationship and understanding with one another? Because our people take leisure in broadcasting and posting things that are not exactly true. And unfortunately, these negative things gain currency. The flip side of the coin is that we must be intentional about celebrating and creating icons. No society grows without creating anchors. And you must build on those anchors. Singapore is what it is today because of what is supposed to be a disadvantage, a deep sea that nobody can swim. That is supposed to be something that should scare people from that area. But that is the very anchor that is upon which the economy of Singapore is built. So we can rebrand using individuals and institutions that are working. Everything cannot be bad.
Absolutely.
So, again, talking about our friends, in America, for instance, Nigerians have the greatest number of graduates, PhD holders, and wonderful professionals in various fields of endeavor. But the American society picks those beautiful ones and talks less about them, or they rather refer to them as Americans. But the bad ones are the Nigerians. So they can help us rebrand Nigeria by glorifying those people that make first class in schools populated by all kinds of people all over the world. And they beat all of them.
Thank you.
So there are beautiful things coming out of this country based on which we can. But we must first of all say that this is who we are.
As a people.
Otherwise, people will continue to address us the way we address ourselves.
Updates.